too. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm gonna start by drawing a U shape. It is really hard drawing on a tablet, but here that's why we're here to learn. Okay, so I might want to get close. Then after that, we're gonna draw her eyes as usual. So from the corner, we go big eyes. Okay, and then one big, one small, and then we just color it. Okay, and then we're gonna do another one. Small and big. If I'm going to slow, you may just wanna wait for me because sometimes people they just like to do fast. And now we're gonna do her smile. And you don't think that I'm not gonna put eyelashes? Sure, put eyelashes because we know Anna, the most beautiful. I think Anna is not as beautiful than Elsa. Okay, after that, we're gonna do her bangs. So firstly, I would like to do it like this. First, oopsie, what happened? Okay, done that already. Now we go here and first, I'm gonna put it. Okay, this is our first one step. Okay, the other one is just go it out. Go it out. And then this one. So we done this also already. Now just wanna put it like this. Firstly we do here and here. Okay. After that, go here. First we go here. Okay. Done that. Just wanna go a little closer. Okay. Then we might wanna go. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Then her ears. Don't tell me it is mouth. I know it's a mouth, but I want her. Okay. Then now we are done with this. But then later just do this. Okay. Now for the another part. Same. Go here, go here. Okay. And then go here. Okay. And then the other one, I want you to put it like this. Okay? So one turning, one is just turning left, right. Okay? Now I'm gonna start doing her. Oh, forgotten. Yes, don't forget that too. Okay, then we're gonna start this. So the reason why I'm making it bigger than I usually do it is I want to put more details. Okay, firstly I'll start by going here and here, then by here and here. Okay, and then like this. Okay, now I'm gonna go further in the shoulders, so I'm just gonna bend it like that. Okay, so now the tricky part begins. Firstly, I'm gonna start by going down here. Okay, we're going down right here. Then start right here. Okay. Okay. And okay. So this twice. Then I'm gonna go put this ribbon on her, and then now I know where her waist is. Then now we go for the neck a little further. Okay, I think that is it. Okay. Then after that, we're going to go here. And start from here. Okay. Then done here. Put it here. The other one neck here. You guys might think that what am I drawing? Is this Anna? Something else. But remember, Anna had something out her thing. Don't remember, you guys know that. Okay, so we done that. Then now going to one thing here and then here. Okay, then now we're gonna do the other side. But the other side, we're not gonna join it. We're just gonna put here, here, and here. Okay? I'm just going to take in this. Okay. So we're done that already. Now we are going to start now I'm just going to extend it more here. Okay, after that we're going to go here, some more, extend it some more. Okay, extend it some more, and then here. Okay, and then put it in this line, and this one we're going to put it more. Okay, now I'm panicking. Okay. Okay, guys. Then after we've done that, we're going to go on. Put some more lines. She has a lot of lines, right, guys? Anna have a lot of lines. Okay. Now just show her So we have done that part already. So you'll get more detail after we did Abdul's skirt, okay? So Anna, her long coat is done. So now go on here, here. Okay. Wait, oops. I forgot that I need to put it first like here. What's the black color? Need black. Okay. So put here, here, here. Okay, after we've done that, we're going to go here, here, and here, and here. We're just putting more lines and more lines and more lines. Okay, so now we're gonna go on her coat more. So firstly, I will put this. And then her big piece, and then here. Okay, then put a circle here too. Okay, now we do her ribbon here and here, then one here and the other here. Okay, then we're going to go on here. Here. And this time we got some decoration with this. Okay, and put it here too. Okay, then this part here gotta come in, and yeah, put both sides. Both sides is better. Okay, after that we're going to draw her boots. So first draw here. I want to draw a thin layer first. Thin layer, okay. And then another one here. Okay. Then after that we go here, get more and more. Then we go. Okay, so we done her leg already, her boots. Oh, and I do not like the way it is. And make it bigger. Okay, let's go on here. Here. And here. Okay, go on some more, and then here. Okay, so it's okay if your boots didn't turn out fine, because it's also not so good for me. And then her boots got some this, I don't know how to call it, but some accessories on it. So I just want to show you guys this. Yeah, so her boots got this, and it's okay if you don't want to add it. I'm just saying for the people out there who wants to put here, wants to think it. Okay, so now we're done with her coat. Now I'm gonna go further in her hair. Okay, so this first part is the easy ones. I'm gonna put this one here and then here. Then the next part here, here. Okay. Okay. This part and then another part. Huh? Okay. And then maybe just gonna put my hair here and done. Okay. So that is much it. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like. Please comment below what else Disney princesses you want me to do next. Bye.